Good morning everyone. Students, we have completed, till now we have completed two methods of the valuation of goodwill. First method was average profit method and second one was super profit method. Fine. So both these methods we have completed. Today we'll start capitalization method. Students, under this capitalization method we have two methods. Two ways are there to do that. First one is capitalization of average profit. The terms are same, average profit and super profit. So first one is capitalization of average profit and second one capitalization of super profit. Fine. So first we'll talk about the capitalization of average profit. This illustration will explain you better. It's telling a firm earned rupees 60,000 as profit. The normal rate of return being 10%. Assets of the firm are rupees 7,20,000 excluding goodwill. Okay, this assets is not including the goodwill. They have already reduced, so we don't have to do it again. And liabilities are 2,40,000. Now find the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. Now just focus on the statement, students. A firm earned 60,000 as a profit. Okay. Earlier we used to find out the normal rate of return on the given capital, means normal profit we were calculating. But here we have to find out the capital. Two kind of capitals we have to calculate. One is the actual capital which you have invested in your business, means capital employed. Okay. And second kind of capital that is based on the actual profits, or you can say average profit. All right, just try to understand. Firm earned 60,000 as a profit. This is the profit which firm is earning. ये actual profit firm earn कर रही है. Okay students, real capital कुछ और है, but अगर मैं इन profits को देखूं एंड आई से कि नॉर्मली जो मार्केट है उसमें 10% लोगों को रिटर्न मिल रही है अपनी कैपिटल पे, और मुझे ये रिटर्न मिली है. ठीक है, तो इस रिटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग मेरी कैपिटल क्या होनी चाहिए थी. ओके, 10% लोगों को मिल रहा है, तो आई कैन थिंक कि सपोज ये मेरा अगर 10% है, आई कैन से लाइक दिस, इफ माई दिस 10% इज इक्वल टू 60,000, right? Then 1 is equal to divided by 10. And if I just capitalize this profit, ये इसको इस 60,000 प्रॉफिट को मैंने 10% मान लिया. ओके, तो 100% में अगर मैं कन्वर्ट करती हूँ तो दिस कम्स 6 लाख. आर यू गेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट, अगर मैं सोचूं कि इसको मैं अगर कैपिटलाइज करूं तो मेरी कैपिटल आती है 6 लाख. Okay, this is which kind of capital? This I have capitalized my actual profit, so you can say the average profit. मैंने average profits को capitalize कर दिया, so my capital comes 6 lakh rupees. Okay, this is one kind of. Now second, it is telling कि your assets is 7,20,000 excluding goodwill and liabilities are 2,40,000. Okay, so this 7,20,000 minus 2,40,000. Okay, so this comes 4,80,000, right? So this is your actual capital employed. This is your capital employed. So this is the real capital which you have invested in your business, and this capital we have calculated on the basis of your average profit. Okay, so which method we are doing? We are doing capitalization of average profit. Fine. तो ये हमने average profits को capitalize किया, ये method है हमारा. Now we have to ultimately we have to find out goodwill. So your goodwill comes, this is your capitalization of average profit minus your capital employed, means actual capital which you have invested in your business. Okay, and this comes 1,20,000, right? And this is your goodwill. All right students, so it's very simple. This is the way to find out your goodwill. Two things we have to understand, कि one profit will be given in the question, it's average profit or the actual profit you can say, एंड वी विल बी कैपिटलाइजिंग दिस प्रॉफिट. इस प्रॉफिट को कैपिटलाइज कर देना है नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग. तो दिस कम्स 6 lakh एंड अनदर कैपिटल विल बी गिवन द क्वेश्चन लाइक कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. फाइन. एंड इन दोनों कैपिटल्स का जो डिफरेंस होगा वो आपका गुडविल होगा. सो सिंपल. फाइन. So here we have completed illustration number 18. All the solution is given here. Okay. Now all the questions are like that. I just give you a brief of this illustration 19. What different is here? What special is there? Here in the statement it's telling that Puneet and Tarun are in a restaurant business having credit balances of their fixed capital accounts 2,50,000 each. It's given in the partnership. Two partners are there and 2,50,000 each. So here we have to calculate their capital. 2,50,000 each means total कितना हो जाएगा दोनों partners की capital? 5 lakh. Okay, 250 into 2, that's 5 lakh. And they have credit balance in their current account. Students जो हमने method किया था capital account, they have two methods. So if we follow the fixed method and in that we have capital account and current account. तो current account भी आपका capital का ही part होता है. तो current account के credit balances are the favorable, right? Now the current accounts balances are given 30,000 and 20,000. So this is also a part of your capital. So here when we calculate capital or capital employed, 2,50,000 each यानी 5 lakh ये हो जाएगा. 30 and 20 यानी 50,000 ये भी प्लस हो जाएगा. तो 5,50,000 विल बी योर कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. ऑल राइट. एंड नथिंग सो स्पेशल. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर सेम. देयर एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ लास्ट 5 years, ये एवरेज प्रॉफिट उन्होंने ले रखा है 5 lakh. 5 years का एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज 1 lakh. ठीक है. एंड नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज गिवन 10%. सो दिस इज योर एवरेज प्रॉफिट. इसको आप कैपिटलाइज कर देंगे. एवरेज प्रॉफिट को आपने कैपिटलाइज किया. सो हेयर योर टोटल कैपिटल कम्स 10 lakh. ओके. एंड कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड means actual capital which you have invested, that we have calculated 2,50,000 each. 30 and 20 their balances of the current account. It's 5,50,000 total, right? So this is your average basis capital. This is your capital employed. 4,50,000 is your goodwill. Fine, students. That's all. Now illustration number 20. Everything is same. Only one point you have to focus on this. Here the capital accounts and current accounts are given, and you must be knowing, students, current account is having, credit balances are the favorable. If debit balance is given, तो that we have to reduce. Credit होता है तो हमने प्लस किया था, यहाँ पे प्लस किया था. But if it is given in the debit balance है तो उसको आप माइनस करेंगे. ठीक है. ये debit balance है, not favorable. Fine. So here we have completed first method, and this was your capitalization of average profit. Now next we have capitalization of super profit. Pay attention on this, students. In this method, first we have to calculate the super profit. Now the steps which we have to do, your first step is to find out super profit. Fine. super profit आप calculate करेंगे. फिर उस profit को, super profit को आप capitalize करेंगे normal rate of return के according. Okay, and then you will find out the goodwill. So let's see one illustration. You will understand better. Illustration number 21. It's telling that average profit of the firm is rupees 1,50,000. Okay, total tangible assets of the firm are 14 lakh and outside liabilities are 4 lakh. In the same type of business, the normal rate of return is 10% of capital employed, right? Now calculate value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit. Fine, students. So please go through the statement properly. The statement seems very similar, but if you are attentive, if you pay attention while going through that, so the points will be clear. So it's asking calculate goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. पहले वाला कौन सा था? Average profit method के according, and here capitalization of what? Super profit method. So we have to calculate super profit first. Okay, how to calculate super profit? Calculate करने का method क्या है? Must be knowing. What are the super profits? Something which is more than the normal profits. Yani actual or average profit minus normal. Here the formula, average profit minus normal profit is called super profit. Fine. And then super profit को आपने क्या कर दिया? Capitalize कर दिया. तो let's see. We have to find out. अब इसके लिए आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए? आपको नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट भी पता होना चाहिए, आपको सुपर प्रॉफिट भी पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, दोनों चीज़ें अपने को फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो हियर it's firm's assets. 14 lakh firm's assets are given. Tangible assets are there, and outside liabilities are 4 lakh. So this way we can find out the capital employed. Okay, capital employed are your total tangible assets minus outside liability. They are the different way to calculate it. Depends upon the information which is given to you. So students, please learn how to calculate your capital employed from the assets approach and from the liabilities approach properly. That's given in the book also, and I have also explained. So just go through it. So here we have calculated 10 lakh capital employed. Okay. Now next step is to calculate normal profit. How to calculate the normal profit? आपका जो capital employed होता है उस पर जो percentage दी है that you find out. तो नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज गिवन 10%. ओके, और हमारा जो कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड है, एक्चुअल कैपिटल जो बिजनेस में लगी है वो कितनी है? 10 लाख है. तो 10 लाख पे आपने 10% कैलकुलेट कर लिया, दैट कम्स योर 1 लाख. आई कैन डू इट हियर. 10 लाख पे आपने 10% कैलकुलेट किया, दैट कम्स योर 1 लाख. ओके, सो दिस 1 लाख इज व्हाट? It's your normal profit. Fine. Now what is super profit? Super profit tells your average profit minus normal profit. Now what is your average profit given in the question? It's 1,50,000 given very clearly. Okay, 150 is your average profit, means actual profits, and normally जो आपने capital invest कर रखी है उस पे 10% के according हमने calculate किया 1 lakh. So your average profit minus normal profit, this is your 50,000 is your super profit. All right, so your super profit comes 50,000. Fine. Now we have the super profit and now we will capitalize it. That will be our goodwill. So how to capitalize it? According to the normal rate of return. आपको normal rate of return दे रखा है, उससे आप capitalize कर देंगे. Here we have calculated super profits are 50,000. Fine. Now 50,000 are the super profit. ये आपका किसके बराबर है? 10% के बराबर मान लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमें कैपिटलाइज करना है ना. एंड नॉर्मली वी फाइंड कि जो भी रिटर्न है जो सबको मिल रही है वो आपको मिल रही है, तो इसको मैंने 10% माना. 10% के बराबर आपका 50,000 है, तो 1 के बराबर 10 एंड वी हैव कैपिटलाइज्ड इट एंड दैट कम्स योर 5 lakh. Okay, so this 5 lakh is your goodwill. Clear students? So in brief I just tell you once again, under super profit method we have to find out the super profit first. Okay, super profit calculate करने के बाद आप उसको capitalize करेंगे. It's very simple. ठीक है, एंड सुपर प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपके पास एवरेज प्रॉफिट विल बी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन एंड नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट आपको निकालना है. कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ आपको निकालनी हो सकती है. राइट, नाउ यू हैव लर्न एवरीथिंग हाउ टू फाइंड आउट. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड almost everything we have completed of this chapter. Now illustration number 22, 23 and 24. These are the same one, everything we have done, all the methods and tricks we have learned, and what they have done in these questions, they have combined the things, like they have given more than one method to calculate. Okay, and they have given certain adjustments also. We know that before finding these all things we have to normalize the profit. If any abnormal effect is given in the question, so just normalize that and then find out your goodwill. All right students, thank you so much.